skate, any trick in the speed section counts, except for flat ground, bank up and bank down tricks. Alright? So speed section, no ball. Skaters cannot pick the same obstacle twice in a row. When defending the trick, each skater has 2 attempts to defend the trick set by the opponent. Final letter gets 3 times. Alright? Now, this is a 5-letter game of skate. S-K-A-T-E. And the last one, what is the last one? I keep forgetting. Yeah. Offense will keep switching after every set, whether you land or bail while setting the tricks. And fakie out and regular out are considered 2 different tricks. Come on, guys, Rochambeau! Alright, so we have Joshan setting up first. Alright, Ollie down. Yeah! What? Oh, the first letter of this game.
Go fast.
It is smooth. 50-50.
Yeah.
Without much effort. Come on, this is going to be a good match. Crazy defense though.
Yeah.
King.
K.
2 letters for Joshan. Satyam's been owning this game since the very beginning. Come on, Josh. Come on. Oh no, guys, on the big ledge. Crazy. Alright, we need the crowd cheering. I know you guys aren't doing much sitting over there, but you can just shout.
Wax. 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 Salah. Yeah.
Not anything coming to him. Easy party.
You don't even fucking wax for shit, my dog.
He gonna slide, bro. He gonna slide.
Hey, we have.
There's gonna be too many beeps in this
Hey,
video.
वो देखो, मांडी करके जेवन में इतने बजा
Oh. No, he's walking it off.
He takes that every day. He takes that for breakfast.
Small body,
He
yeah.
eats that
small
for breakfast,
body.
bro.
Come on. Skaters eat these slams every single meal. Satyam said, no? Satyam said. Alright, this filmer is down. Oh, too close. Oh. Come on, now. Yo.
Do.
Oh, that was a gnarly attempt sent in by Josh. This guy's lost his head, bro, in the game. Skaters are not known for their intellect.
Pune Municipal Corporation, please donate him some brains, bro.
Oh my god!
What is that? What is that?
Smith.
Achi Smith.
किंग रीडू पाहिजे
Or Smith down the
तू
kick.
काय करत होता? ट्रिक काय करत होता?
स्मिथ 50 पण ते स्मिथ झालं
हा मग रीडू ब्रो.
रीडू
अरे तो स्मिथ 50.
अरे पण स्मिथ कर दिया ना फिर
जे लँड झाले ते लँड झाले.
और अगर उसने पूरा स्मिथ लैंड किया ना
तो स्मिथ है. अच्छा, बेल है क्या?
हाँ अच्छा तो फिर उसका ट्रिक है तेरे को पूरा स्मिथ करने का था क्या
नहीं वो स्मिथ 50 कर रहा था. बेल होएगा.
अबे मागबा खेल रहे भाई ये लोग मागबा खेल रहे ऐसे लगता है कि देखो
सुसुगॅंग खेळ रे पण.
Come on, Joshan. Come on. You're gonna get that one.
He's going for a Smith 50.
Trying a Smith 50. Both front. Too close. Got stuck. And then
Yeah.
with 50-50 down the kick. Come on.
इथं काही जेवण करतात बाई.
Johnson
Yeah.
doing the same. He's got 2 attempts for it. He's almost there.
Hey, you got him, Machan.
Hey, what is that?
He almost made it past the king. Come on, Johnson. That was a tough combo to defend. Amazing attempt. Amazing attempt. Up the bank, takes it and out. Satyam defending.
नोजगंड में जा रहा
Come on, come on, come.
भले स्पीड मध्ये चालला यार कोचचं ऐकलं पाहिजे ना.
I missed it. That means there's another letter ahead of Satyam.
के टूटी
SK and SKAT for Johnson. A wonderful attempt at a 5-0 down the big rail.
cut that out.
Nah, don't cut that out, bro.
Hey, you don't say too much. Huh?
Yeah.
Ending मध्ये 50-50 झाली.
नाही.
बघ ना footage.
नाही झाली.
Front 5-0. नाही.
Hi, that was a successful sent by our very own Satyam from Pune. Amazing attempt at defending the same.
Let's go, Machan.
Yeah. Oh shit. Crazy.
Macha! Macha actually sent it, bro. Sent it, Joshan. Amazing. Big man thing, bro. Big up. Shout out to Joshan. Too close. Too close. Oh man.
Johnson, let's go, bro.
Thing for you, Joshan. Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on. A little fumble on the king. You've got that.
This try.
Oh, sick. Didn't lock into the 50-50. Come on. Oh, a beautiful one. Just left it at the end. You had that, bro.
Hey, move.
That's a letter for Satya. Come on, you have it. Two more tries. Come on.
Come back.
Yeah! He's done it again!
I don't know that trick, but yeah.
I know the trick. He's defending
Bro, real hustler.
Come on, Joshan.
He's done it twice!
माझा set आहे का?
It's set. It's set, it's set.
He's going insane, guys. Oh, left to the mid-alley. Oh,
Yeah!
a Frenchman down the rail. Long. सबसे fun.
नाही आता तरी
That was beautiful attempt from a formidable defender. Alright guys, so we have the contenders Satyam and Joshan over here, and the winner of this game, even after all the beautiful defenses, is still Satyam!
I love